Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing what's in my bag with you all. And this is like a travel edition, so I don't carry all this with me every single time I go outside, but when I'm traveling, if I have long flights, I tend to carry all this stuff with me. So if you're interested, continue watching. So this is the front pocket. It has a pocket here, there's a big pocket here, and there's one at the back. So usually if I tend to keep my passports or boarding pass, I would put them here so that it's safer. And I'll begin with the front pocket. I try and keep the things which I access the most in this. So this is what it looks like. There you go. So I have tissue, there's rupees here. I have a lip balm. This is by EOS. I really like it. Actually, I don't like it. Every time I open it, I twist it out. See, it doesn't come out, and if it comes out, it doesn't go back in. So it's really annoying. The formula is nice, but the packaging really sucks. And the other is by the brand Caudalie. I really like this one. This is paraben free, sulfate free. It's very natural and stuff. The other is hand sanitizer. This is by Bath and Body Works, and this is the warm vanilla sugar scent, and I really like this one. Also, I have wet ones. I do not go anywhere without wet ones. I mean, even if I'm going out just for getting grocery, I always carry this with me in my bag. And there's a coin, and in this small pocket I have my US SIMs and everything. So that's that in the front pocket. And in this one I have a notebook. Let me just take this out. Yeah, this is the one I carry just to, you know, jot down some notes and stuff. If I find something inspirational, I write it down in there. And then I also have a pen. Now let's go inside the main compartment. I do have a lot of stuff in this. The first thing in here is my wallet. This is also a recent purchase. I used to have those bigger ones, but they don't really work for me anymore. They end up taking up too much space, so this works really well. I've got my makeup pouch. Now again, I really don't use this. It's only if I want to look a little bit presentable after I come out of a very long flight. So I'll just quickly show you guys what's inside this. And by the way, this bag is from Ipsy, and I have a BB cream. This is by CoverGirl CG Smoothers, Kabrow by Benefit, a mirror, a spoolie for my eyebrows, and this is my favorite combination for lipsticks. These two are by Colourpop. One is Bumble and the other one is Beeper. So I put Bumble first and then I put Beeper. It looks really nice. Every time I wear this combination, I get a lot of compliments. So that's that. This is a brow thing by It Cosmetics. It has a spoolie, and then this is like the brow pencil, I would say. Don't use it much. It's a little bit lighter for my eyebrow, but it's there. And this is an eyebrow gel by Essence. I really like this one. My favorite mascara by Maybelline, Lash Sensational, waterproof. And this is Rimmel Scandalize. I put this on my waterline if I again want to make my eyes look bigger and awake. And this is my favorite eyeliner. This is by NYX, the Stay Matte liquid eyeliner, and this is the last one. This is the Lip Gradation Maybelline lipstick, and I think this is in the color mauve. It was written on the back here and the cap is gone. The next thing I have here is a power bank. Comes really handy when you're traveling. And then this is, I think, a little bit awkward and a little bit TMI. So this is, it comes in a pouch. I got this off of Amazon, and I'll link it if anybody is interested. And this is a travel bidet, and this is what it looks like. So this is something I use when I go to the bathroom. You just fill this with water and then it shoots out like a spray. So that's that, and this goes here. Then water bottle. I have my earphones, my glasses. I got this from Firmo. I really like these ones. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Next is again a new purchase, and this is a sunscreen, and this is by the brand Peter Thomas Roth. I got this because I was traveling and I'm going to be out in the sun for long hours, so I wanted something to touch up my sunscreen. And so far I really like this. I can do a review of this if anybody wants to know in detail, but yeah, I don't know if you can see the powder. Yeah, so you just twist this, pull this down, and then yeah, it stays in your bag. You can just touch up whenever you want. I have these Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Again, after I sit on the plane, I tend to wipe my face off with this. Yeah. Next is icebreakers, mints. I'm not a chewing gum person, I like mints better. This is a receipt, and then this is the perfume I carry. I carry this oud, and this is the applicator. So you just pull this up, and then yeah, it smells good actually. I really like how it smells. And then a scrunchie. Okay guys, almost done. I carry like a plastic bag just in case. I also have sheet masks with me. When the flight is long, I try and put one of this on if I don't feel very awkward and I feel there are less people around. Next is Dramamine. I have motion sickness, so this stays with me. Next is this one. This is a cuticle balm. I really like this. It really helps to keep my cuticles moisturized. They don't make the hands look flaky or dry. And I think I showed this in my winter hacks too. And if you haven't watched my previous video, please do. I think you would really like that one. And yeah, that's it. Actually, wait, let me check. There's another compartment here. So this was there in my hotel room. I just put it in my bag. I don't know if anybody else does that too. This has safety pins, buttons, a little bit of thread, a needle. So it's like an, you know, emergency kit. Might come in handy, so I threw that in. And last but not the least, I have blotting papers. My skin, like I've said a million times on my channel, is very oily. So these ones are by the brand Natural Premium. Healthy yet eco-friendly. So instead of buying regular sheets, I think you should switch to something like this. I got this off of Amazon, and I can link that below for you if you're interested. Just take this and blot your face, and if you have any excess oil, the paper tends to catch it, and then you can powder your face if you feel like. Look, quite a bit of oil on there. And yep, that's it. That's all that's there in my bag. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know if you have any of this in your bag too, or if there's something from this you liked and you would add to your bag. And yeah, that's it. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.